Imagine a world where your mustard is not just a condiment, but a choice for a healthier lifestyle. In America, companies are turning up the heat in the organic mustard game. Companies like Organic Valley, True Natural Taste, and Healthy Harvest are leading the pack. They've committed to preserving the environment, supporting local farmers, and delivering a product that's as good for you as it tastes. Picture yourself in sunny Miami Beach, Florida. As you stroll through the local grocery stores, these brands stand out on the shelves. Their packaging, a testament to their quality. Why organic mustard, you ask? Well, it's simple. It's all about flavor that's robust, tangy, and has that signature kick. But more than that, it's about knowing what's in your food. So if you're in the market for organic mustard, don't hesitate. Reach out to YouTube Organic today. The world of organic mustard is waiting. Your taste buds will thank you.